Want to be featured on this channel? Join us to be a part of the Yoga Unites movement. Welcome. I'm Angelina. I would love to invite you to join me in this yoga challenge. It's quite simple. All you have to do is take a photo of yourself doing your favorite yoga pose. Submit that photo to the email provided in the description below with your name, your location of wherever you are in the world, and let's unite through yoga. So share this video with your friends who would love to be a part of this Yoga Unites movement. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click the bell off to the right for when this feature video will be posted. Let's join together and unite through the divine beauty that yoga can do to transform your inner world. I look forward to your submissions. Thank you so much for watching, and follow me on Instagram at Yogini Angelina.